All right, everyone, I have a treat for you today. This is really cool, and not only that, I am really excited to see how it works. This is a wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver kit right here, and it's made by FIGEBNY right here. Some of the features we're going to check out: plug and play, low latency, it's wireless connection, and you get multi-scene applications. So that's something that's going to be pretty cool. Now we just have thin plastic. It's not an unboxing if you don't have two things. Pulling away the thin plastic, and if you don't get a USB-C cable. So actually this is pretty simple. Boom. Didn't have to do anything crazy. And we have the receiver right here. Just going to go ahead and pull this out. We have the layer right here with the instruction manual. And we also have an adapter right here. See the HDMI. I told you, gotta have a USB-C. Right here and right here. Empty box out here. So right here, this we can see is an adapter, HDMI. And we have a little twist tie here. Then we have two USB-Cs. It's not an unboxing, as I always say, without a USB-C. So, unbox your USB-Cs. Be a good dude. And, yeah, there we go. There's our USB-Cs. Then we have our wireless receivers themselves. Check these out. And here we simply can just take these off. This is really cool. Now, if you want to do micro, is that possible? Yes, it is. We have micro adapters for both of them. And mini. So you can do all types of HDMI. You can do regular HDMI with these. You can do micro or mini, which is kind of cool. So I can go ahead, put this on here. I can do micro. I can do mini. And then I have the USB-C connector here. So I can make anything I want of these. Plug it right in here, and I can use this on my Chromebook. I can use this on whatever I want. And just plug it in via USB-C. A lot of things are USB-C adapter now. So we got this. Now, on top of that, I have my handy dandy instruction manual. So I'll be going through this as well. And of course, my adapter here. So that is the FIGEBNY wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver kit. Very, very cool. Let's see it in action. All right, everyone. So for the demonstration, I have the transceiver right here in my laptop. We can see the display. Check that out. My little mini guy. Now I can pick this up, move it around, have some fun, and I can present whatever I want. We can see the mouse on this display right here. Boom. Very cool. And what's in back of here? Well, it's none other than we have this plugged in. We have the transceiver here. This is blue. So that's how easy it is to get it all set up. And one thing I really like about this is now I don't have to worry about HDMI cables. I don't have to go and play around with everything. You can do this on your TV. You can do this with anything that you truly want. The best part about this is that all you have to do, plug in a laptop, play transceiver, receiver in the TV or monitor, and you're good to go. You can literally walk around the whole room with your laptop and do whatever you need to do. Very cool.